Hi, welcome to ARY'S Happy Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best hot oatmeal cereal around. It's fully loaded. It's a meal. You've got protein, fiber, and flavor. What's more important than all those? Okay, hold on. I'm going to go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, so I add a cup of oats to a pot and I pour the water in. Some salt in, just a little. You don't have to put any in there if you don't want to, but it helps with the flavor. And that was a quarter of a teaspoon. Okay, just as it starts to bubble like this, I like to leave the top off and turn it down low just to let it simmer. You can see the grains are already breaking down. I'm gonna add just a little more water, just a little bit. We don't want it to burn, but we do want it to be on the thicker side. So it's a more hearty, hefty meal. So that's enough water. Okay, now I'm gonna spoon in the banana. Bananas have a very strong flavor, and not everyone likes them. So make sure that before you serve someone else bananas, that they're okay with the flavor. And the cinnamon. That's a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. With oatmeal, you can get really creative. For instance, you can use flax seeds in this recipe. You can buy ground flax seeds at your local grocer. It's said that flax seeds improve brain function. You can make this meal as healthy as you like. I think we all could benefit from improved brain function. Okay, I'm going to turn the burner off. I'm going to pour my milk in there. This is evaporated milk. I like the flavor. You can use any milk you choose. This is evaporated cow's milk. The ingredients needed for the best hot oatmeal cereal are 1 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of oats, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cranberries, 1 tablespoon of currants, 1/8 cup of pecans, 1/8 cup of walnuts, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 whole banana. I'd say it's ready. Okay, so that's off. When cooking, always put safety first. Have a fire extinguisher and a phone in the kitchen in case of an emergency. Never leave a hot pot cooking on the stove. Thank you for joining me here at ARY'S Happy Home, and I'll see you next week. Remember to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.